Musk has always been an enthusiast of technology, but in many instances he has warned us against the growth of AI too. Wanna know more? Watch till the end. Hey people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Musk's crazy predictions about AI and robots. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Done? Okay, let's get started. Elon Musk has established himself as the de facto leading voice on the promise of robotics and artificial machine learning, making both optimistic and pessimistic predictions. As the new year approaches, here are some of his most memorable remarks from 2017. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has been warning people about the risks of AI-powered robots for years, even forecasting horror results similar to those in The Terminator. He now appears to be taking matters into his own hands in order to prevent humanity from becoming extinct. Musk said during Tesla's Artificial Intelligence Day on Thursday that the electric vehicle business will construct a humanoid robot prototype nicknamed the Teslabot. The prototype, according to Musk, will be finished in 2022. However, the billionaire entrepreneur is notorious for missing his own publicly declared timelines on large, flashy projects. For example, Musk stated on Twitter in 2016 that the full self-driving automobiles would be available by 2018, writing, "In 2 years, summoning should function wherever connected by land and not restricted by borders. E.g., you're in LA and the car is in New York." When that didn't materialize, the billionaire vowed that by 2020, Tesla would have 1 million robo-taxis on the road. During Tesla's first quarter results call last spring, he tempered his tone, admitting that punctuality is not my strong point. Tesla's self-driving cars, according to Musk, would join the market soon after receiving regulatory approval across the United States. It's unknown how Musk's robot will deal with regulations, but one thing is certain, it will be friendly. Of course, it's meant to be nice, Musk remarked during the Teslabot introduction. As well as navigating a world designed for people, anyone familiar with Musk's long-standing public views on AI-powered robots may be surprised by the sentiment. And for that matter, the entire tone of the announcement. While Musk is recognized for his support and the development of artificial intelligence, he has long been critical of the rapid advancements of robotics, citing a film from when he was just 13 as an example. In 2014, Musk told CNBC's Closing Bell, "I like to just keep an eye on what's going on with artificial intelligence," adding, "There have been movies about this, like The Terminator. There are some dreadful possibilities." Musk mentioned The Terminator once more in 2017, citing his neurotechnology company Neuralink, which aspires to produce brain implants for humans to connect with machines, as a defense against a threat like Skynet, the 1984 film's AI antagonist. He stated on Twitter, "That is the aspiration, to avoid AI becoming another." Later that year, while addressing at the National Governors Association's annual summer gathering in Washington, D.C., Musk reaffirmed his warning. During his address, Musk stated, "Robots will be able to do everything better than us. I've been exposed to some of the most cutting-edge AI, and I believe people should be very concerned." Let's now look at a few other good and bad predictions by Musk. 1. Your self-driving car will take you where you want to go on its own. Musk was told by a Twitter user in October that he would want to be able to get into his car and simply tell it where to take him. It'll be even better, according to Musk. It won't even need to ask you most of the time, the Tesla and SpaceX CEO tweeted. 2. There's no reason why your Tesla can't fly in the future. It's very feasible, Musk stated via Twitter, that the next generation high-end Tesla Roadster, which Musk unveiled in November, will be able to fly for short flights. The 4-seater, high-performance electric vehicle is expected to hit the market in 2020 and will have a top speed of 250 miles per hour. Each of the 1,000 Roadsters in the first batch will cost $250,000. According to Musk, the standard model will accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 1.9 seconds, and there will be a special option package that elevates it to the next level. 3. Robots will move so quickly that you'll have to use a strobe light to see them. Musk issued a warning in reaction to a tweet depicting a humanoid robot manufactured by Boston Robotics jumping onto elevated surfaces with the comment, "We die." This is insignificant. That bot will move so rapidly in a few years that you'll need a strobe light to see it. Wishing you sweet dreams. 4. Robots will be better at everything than we are. there will undoubtedly be work interruption. What's going to happen is that robots will be able to do everything better than us, and by that I mean all of us. Musk stated in July to the National Governors Association, "Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about it. I'll tell you, this is the toughest challenge I've ever faced." According to Musk, transportation operators would be the first to lose their jobs. 1 out of every 7 occupations in the United States is tied to transportation, according to the U.S. Department of Transportation. He claims, however, that no position is safe. Transport will be one of the first industries to go completely self-contained. But when I say everything, I mean everything. The robots will be able to accomplish anything except for nothing. Number 5. The global AI arms competition will precipitate World War III. According to Musk, the next world war will be sparked by a global race to be the country with the most advanced AI. His remark came in response to a report that Russian President Vladimir Putin predicted that the country that wins in artificial intelligence would be the world's ruler. 6. Artificial intelligence poses a greater threat than North Korea. Musk's warning was accompanied by a photo of a sign that stated, "In the end, the machines will win." 7. Artificial intelligence poses a serious threat to human civilization's survival. "I've seen the most cutting-edge AI, and I believe people should be very concerned," Musk stated at the National Governors Association meeting. "In a way that automobile accidents, airplane crashes, faulty pharmaceuticals, or terrible food were not, AI represents a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization in a manner that they were not. They were destructive to a group of individuals inside society, but they were not harmful to society as a whole." According to Musk, robust and quick regulatory supervision is an important part of the answer. AI is a rare example where I believe we should be proactive rather than reactive in terms of legislation, he argues. Musk also has aided by co-founding the nonprofit OpenAI. 8. Governments will compel firms to hand over AI technology under duress. During a September Twitter rant by Musk on the existential threat presented by artificial intelligence, a follower suggested that the government is lagging behind and that corporations will create the most dangerous AI arsenal. Governments don't have to observe conventional laws, Musk claims. If necessary, they will obtain AI produced by firms under duress, he tweeted. 9. AI will either be the best or worst thing that has ever happened to humans. AI will either be the best or worst thing that has ever happened to humanity, the millionaire entrepreneur predicts. He also suggests MIT professor Max Tegmark's book, Life 3.0, Being Human in the Age of Artificial Intelligence. The book, according to Musk, is worth reading. It's worth remembering that some of Musk's most pessimistic projections have drawn fire from influential tech figures. Musk's apocalypse forecasts were deemed quite irresponsible by Facebook billionaire CEO Mark Zuckerberg. "I have strong feelings about this. I'm upbeat," says Zuckerberg. "I believe you can construct things that make the world a better place. But in particular, I'm really hopeful about AI. And I just don't understand why folks who are pessimists attempt to conjure up these doomsday scenarios. It's quite nasty, and in some ways, I believe it's downright reckless," he says. Speaking at TechCrunch Disrupt SF in September, Google's head of AI, John Giannandrea, objected to the hype and the sort of sound bites that certain folks have been producing. "I'm not concerned about the AI apocalypse at all." With that, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. See you again with another video. Until then, bye!